It's such a low cost exercise that can be done that can really, provide so much value.
I think the journey map is just like a super powerful tool for design in general, but especially in the medical field. It really helps you understand every step of the procedure as we're looking at these medical procedures that we're not necessarily familiar with. It's a good way to like catch us up to speed and understand like some of the intricacies, and then like being able to run that by a stakeholder, a surgeon, like a key opinion leader, someone who actually knows, and get that feedback like, yes, this is what I do, or like, no, that's not exactly how I do it, that might be what it looks like, and like really understand the procedure on one hand, and then also understand like the user and what they're thinking during that procedure.
It's basically like this written kind of mock-up, right? Where it's like, okay, here's the way we understand that you're using this device, and then telling somebody that back, and making sure that like your speculation that you had on like how the task is actually being done, or some potential pain points that are happening during that time, basically validating that. It's such a low cost exercise that can be done that can really, provide so much value.
We sort of adopt this like fail fast mentality, and like a lot of our tools are the most low cost, low effort ways to fail fast. Before you get into this engineering, before you get really deep into like, what does the mechanism look like? What is the end effector doing? Like, you figure out why is it doing that? Is that actually what we want it to do? And you do it in a low cost way, like throwing up a sketch and then putting that in front of someone, being like, looking at this, sort of envisioning it, do you think this might be something that would fit your workflow, what you would like? And it's an easy way for them to like imagine it better. The same with the journey map, getting alignment on, this is how we understand your procedure. We're gonna design based on this understanding. Is this correct? Or do we need to change something? And if we just like keep running with it without like getting that point of alignment or that quick point to fail, you could go down the wrong road.
Yeah.
And then you have like a fully tooled up device and you put it in the surgeon's hand and they're like, this isn't what I wanted at all. But like, this is getting that upfront framework that like you've put the best product possible that you think will be exactly what they want.